Is this setup any good for powering QRP gear? I ordered for $19.95 this 4-slot charger. It has a USB plug, so it can plug into a 5-volt supply that gives 1 to 2 amps. Batteries are individually charged, so you can charge 1, 2, 3 or 4 at once. The package also came with 4 batteries, rated at 3600 mAh each, although I'll be a little bit skeptical of that, as the batteries are an unknown brand. With the FT817, you can use either 3 or 4 18650 batteries. With 3 you get a bit over 11 volts, but there's not much room for the voltage to drop until the FT817 drops out. The maximum voltage the FT817 likes is 16 volts. Without a load, 4 of these batteries will put out more than that. I measured 16.4 volts. To counteract that, I put a silicon diode, I'd suggest one that handles 3 to 6 amps, in series with the positive connection. That drops the voltage by about half a volt. The diode is an unknown type, but I found it in an old TV. I've used heat shrink tubing to offer some protection to the diode. Just before 5 PM local, and time to test the batteries.
On 20 metres, 17 metres and 30 metres. So today's been good on 40 metres. Right now. Anyway, my friend, hey, your YouTube videos are fantastic. Thank you for coming back to the call, my friend. I really appreciate it. Yankee Oscar, Tango Alpha, 8 Charlie 2, Yankee Oscar, Tango Alpha, 2 on that. The repeaters in the mount room.
With the FT817, I was actively operating or calling for 2 hours. Then the batteries died. The ratings on the side of the batteries are 3 amp hours. Though, given that they were bundled with the charger, I wouldn't be surprised if they were cheapies with a lower actual rating. Thus, for a couple of hours casual operating, these batteries are fine. But for anything more, then you'd need something like what I normally use, which is the LIFE P04 battery, which has a capacity of around 7 or 8 amp hours.